guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm sure you guys are aware that Amex Day is coming very soon. It is on the 26th of March, and to celebrate that, Nike is releasing 3 different regional exclusive Amex ones. So in North America, you guys are getting the Blueprint pair. In Europe, they will be releasing the City of Lights, and here in Asia Pacific, as well as Latin America, we are getting the Wabi Sabi pair, which I'm so excited to unbox together with you guys because, well, I've already seen the shoes and they look so good. And even though I haven't had the chance to see the other 2 pairs, I don't know whether it's too soon for me to say that this is my favorite out of the 3. So let's get into the unboxing. So let's start off with the box. You'll notice that it comes in this striped box, and here it says 326, which is obviously Amex Day. On the lid, there's number 35 in Roman numerals because, again, it is the 35th anniversary of the Amex one, and Nike is really celebrating that. This Wabi Sabi colorway is considered a women's release, so you can see I got it in a women's US 8. I'm sure some of you guys have heard of the term Wabi Sabi before, and it is a Japanese term referring to the appreciation of the beauty of imperfections, impermanence, and simplicity as the natural state of things in the world. And that is a very surface understanding of the term Wabi Sabi for me anyway. Let me know in the comments below if I'm not saying it properly, but from what I gather, it's about appreciating imperfections in the natural state of things, which I feel like is just what I said before. It was what I read off in my phone actually. But back to these sneakers, I think they did an amazing job in reflecting that Wabi Sabi design philosophy, and you can see there are a lot of top stitching, which I really love. It gives it sort of an unfinished look, but I think it also gives a lot of nice contrast, and I cannot get over how nice the colorway is. You guys can see that it is mismatched on both sides of the sneaker, which I really love, and there is a mix of nice olive tones as well as like a tan brown color, and together they really complement each other so well. And on the toe box here, you can see that it's sort of this canvas material, which again gives it a very natural sort of look. And back to the stitching, you'll notice here on the heel there is some red stitching. It is in that Roman numerals, which says number 35, again with the 35th anniversary. One of my favorite details on this sneaker is on the back here, where you'll typically see the Nike Air branding. They've swapped it out for these swoosh smiley faces, which I think looks so cute, and also they are mismatched with the colors because just like the rest of the sneaker, they have really gone with that mismatched kind of look, which I think looks really great. And it also complements the gum outsole really well in terms of mismatching as well. You'll notice with the insoles, it is orange on one side and a brown tan on the other. Moving on to the midsole of the sneaker, they have also given it an age distress kind of look with these cracked lines in gold paint, and I love that really nice off-white color they've chosen. Again, I cannot say enough good things about the color palette that they've chosen for the sneaker, but also the quality of the materials used. And also with the mini swoosh on the toe box here, it is embroidered in a way where it looks almost sketched on. The last detail that I want to show you guys is this little clear window on the tongue of the sneaker, and they've actually included 2 cards on each side of the shoe. And here you can see it says 326, which is Amex Day, and then there's also another card here with the smiley swoosh, so you can interchange this so that, you know, it looks different when you wear it, which I think it's such a cute little quirky detail. And on the right foot, they have also given you 2 cards, and one of them you can write your name here and also I guess your handle, because there's an @ here, and then the swoosh smiley face in another color. I guess you can customize this card any way you want as long as you cut something to size, and you can slip it into the tongue of the sneaker, which I think is such a nice little detail. In terms of the laces, they don't give you a set of spare laces, but this natural looking lace I think complements the sneaker so well, and I absolutely love these sneakers so much, so I'm so excited that I can sort of give you guys an early unboxing. If you're thinking about getting a pair, I highly recommend you do. You guys know that I don't wear too many Amex ones, but I think these are a definitely must cop. So let me know in the comments below which is your favorite out of the three that are releasing. Is it the Wabi Sabi, Blueprint, or the City of Lights? And also let me know what you're planning to wear on Amex Day. I will most likely be wearing this, or maybe I'll try and find another pair in my collection, but I'll definitely post something on Instagram so you guys will find out what I'm wearing for Amex Day. So I'm editing the video and I realized that I didn't mention anything about sizing, which is probably one of the more important things that I should talk about in these sneaker videos. So here I am to give you some sizing information. So personally for me, I find that the Amex ones fit true to size. So I got this in a women's 8 and all my dunks, for example, are in a women's 8, so they fit good. However, if you are going with your men's sizing, just keep in mind, because this is a women's release, I find that the toe box tends to be a little bit more narrow, so you can definitely go at least half a size up or even one full size up. So for example, if you're usually a men's US 9, that converts to a women's 10.5. You just have to add 1.5 to get your women's size, and from that women's sizing, I think you can size up at least half a size or one full size up. I really hope I'm making sense, guys, but some of my friends have tried them on and they did say that they fit a little snug. So for you guys out there who are planning on getting a pair, highly recommend to size up a little for these. But for the ladies, you can go true to size. I always find it so weird that we still have to differentiate between men's and women's sneaker. I'm sure there's something behind like the anatomy design wise of women's feet to men's feet. I don't know, like for me all sneakers are unisex, and if you like them you should wear them. But yeah, I hope that sizing information was somewhat helpful, and yeah, that is pretty much it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye.